Hello, Beth here from Williams Crawford. I hope you're well. It's Monday and I thought we could take a closer look at one of the Porsche in our showroom that has not long arrived. It's very special. They were very limited in numbers and it celebrates 50 years of Porsche. So some of you might have guessed from when we were in the showroom, but the special car that I was referring to is this. It is a 991.1 Carrera 2S Coupe 50th anniversary. They only made 1,963 examples and I think something like 100 came to the UK. It really was few in numbers, and the whole purpose of them was to celebrate 50 years of Porsche, and if I do say so myself, they've done an amazing job. This feels so special. So what I thought we could do, as they combine such a mixture of modern technology and nice touches to the past, that we could walk around the car, I could point out the features and hopefully give you a close-up view of a car that you probably don't see that often at all. So it's not all sunshines and ice creams in Cornwall, and it has started to rain, but we're not letting it dampen our spirits because when this car first came in as a valuation inquiry, I was jumping up and down. As someone who gets to work with lots of lovely cars, but then also goes home, watches more videos on cars and talks to everyone that she knows about more cars, this is very much up my street. So Harry, if we start by taking a look at the back end of the 991, what you got with the 50th anniversary is you got lots of little subtle differences, but the overall picture makes it a really special car to drive. So on the back, all of this finish in the chrome was especially for these cars. Obviously we've got our 911 50th badge as well. Porsche weren't letting you forget in what you were driving. And then as we come round the passenger side, very important to note that this is a C2S, so it's a rear-wheel drive car, but it has got the wider rear arches to give it an amazing stance. So you really have got the best of both worlds. Obviously, being the generation 1 of the 991s, under that engine lid we have got a 3.8 naturally aspirated 6-cylinder. So the chrome finish carries on onto the passenger side around the windows and just adds a really elegant touch to the car. We've then got the 20-inch Fuchs inspired wheels, which really set this car off, especially with the wider arches and the red calipers. It just looks phenomenal. If we come round to the front, the chrome again continues on the front grills. And probably the most obvious thing that I've not mentioned yet is that this car is finished in Giza grey, and doesn't it just look fantastic? The 991 50th anniversaries as a whole were available in 3 colours. So there was this colour, there was then also graphite grey, and there was black. I believe that the graphite grey and the Giza grey were only available on the 50th models, but this colour is by far my favourite personally. I just think it's like nothing else out there and really does add the wow factor. So on top of being the 50th anniversary, this car was also optioned with the Porsche Club GB 50-year package. And with that, you get your chrono, your sensors, you've also got your navigation module and telephone module. And these were not standard. With this package, you got them all applied onto the car. So it's really nice that this one's got that as well. So the inserts set within the 14-way leather sports seats give ultimate comfort, but whilst also giving that nod to the past with their design, and they just look and feel fantastic. Even the dial on the chrono clock and the dials on your speedo are all in illuminated green, just like the old days. The silver stitching on these seats is just second to none in its quality. The leather feels immaculate, and that's probably to do with the fact that this car has done such little mileage, but it really does feel special, even for your passenger as well as being the driver. And then as you move on to the head restraints, you've got the embroidered 50th badge again, which just really adds the special touch. And finally, on the dash is the limited edition plaque. This one is number 1560, so it was quite near the end of the production run. So now we've had a look around the interior, the last thing I wanted to let you guys know is that this car benefits from a full PPF, which is obviously just amazing for helping to protect the paintwork as much as possible. If you're interested in this car or any other 991 for that matter, either as a future car or one that you were looking to sell, please let myself, Andy or Ross know and we would love to help. Thank you for watching, hopefully see you soon.